Hey guys, Omar here with ABC Austin Service Express, and we had a call today, and we had a clogged drain line, and outside it was full of weeds and things. So what I did is I made a French drain. See the drain line now? The water's coming out, and it falls into that pile of rocks, and it drains down. So, and we cleaned it up a little bit around here. So all them weeds, what happens, all them weeds get inside and dirt and things can clog it up. So now I've got the little French drain there that's working properly. So call it for our AC, heating, refrigeration needs, 512-448-0532. You can also find us on the web at www.abcaustinacandheating.com. It's getting kind of warm out here. So, okay, see you guys in the next video. Okay, thanks, bye-bye.